So today this caught my eye, and if you've been here before, you'll know by now if that happens, I'll take you with me on a walk in 4K to have a look. And if you've looked at my other videos on Corollas, I've looked at loads. I'll tag some on the end, or go to my automotive catalogue. I've looked at loads of Toyotas and other brands. You'll spot these wheels. I've not seen them before, and you'll think, what are they? Like I did. And so I thought, oh, you know what? I'll check inside because I've not seen these wheels before. And then inside, it's got an Alcantara, white stitching, like a tweed in the middle. So I was thinking, is this XL spec? Is this the new XL spec for 2025? Had a look online at the configurator, and it's not. This is the new design for 2025. So if you've ordered a new design now, this is what it's going to come like. It's going to come with these new wheels, very nice machine polished fronts, black insert, 17-inch. This actually has got the £650 paint option, which is metallic grey, which is very nice. It actually suits this colour. If you also looked at my other videos, you'll know on a lot of the models of Toyota, they come with grey plastic, whereas this doesn't. So I say get the grey because it doesn't notice the plastic, whereas on the Corolla, you don't have any plastic anyway, which is a good thing. So yeah, the base spec of this now is 32,000 for the design, and you get this. More importantly, you get this interior, so have a look at this. So you get white stitching on the doors. You get like faux leather around the edges, Alcantara here. This really nice tweed effect. We'll get around there and have a look in a minute. So yeah, this is the new design for 2025. If like me, you're looking and researching, what's a better opportunity than this? Let's have a little look through. You've got the white stitching again in here. All very nice again. You've got the Alcantara. Sometimes they skip the back, don't they? But they've done exactly the same in the back. Look, you've got a pleather, Alcantara, tweed effect, Isofix. I'm guessing you've got the top tether here on the back as well. For your kids' seats, little cubby hole down there. Guessing this has got, two drinks holders. I think that's, so 60/40 rear split. Electric windows in the back. Them new wheels, they're very nice. So if you compare the design spec Corolla at 32,000, and then you've got the design spec CHR right there, that's 34,000 if I do believe, both in grey. So yeah, they're the 34. I mean, I must admit, I do prefer to SUVs, but it does show what great value these Corollas are. Did win Car of the Year award this year as well in 2025, the Corolla. And then you've got the CHR design in grey. So what a better choice, what a better comparison. So we've got this and this. Which one would you rather have? Let me know. We've got this, design spec grey CHR, design spec Corolla. You've got a little button, not electric tailgate on the design. Anything with a Toyota Corolla though is you don't get enough. Do you get enough room there for a space saver? Maybe you do. Maybe you could sliver a little space saver in there. Like I've said, I've got a load of videos on here. I've actually got my own car. I've got a RAV4. Go and have a look at the video. I was looking at part exchanging it in. I like to risk. Got D-chrome here actually. Look at that. It's all black. So I was part exchanging it in. I was looking across the range at loads of different cars. Go and have a look. I do like a space saver spare wheel though. There's the 40 side of the split. Very nice in the back. You think that's at my... I've driven this, so that's at my correct position of driving. You still get loads of legroom in the back, don't you? Get these cool little headrests, look. So you've got the little pleather one in the middle. That's nice, nice touch. Like I said, you'd usually get, sometimes in the back, they'll just plane over it, but that's actually really nice. Right, let's get into the all-important cabin where we all sit. It's got your usual electric windows, lock your doors. Oh, you got electric in and out mirrors. You got a little, you can just about see that, a little lumbar support down here. Corolla kick panels, Corolla mats. Nice, it really is nice, really well trimmed. I couldn't believe it. I really did think this was a higher spec. Like 32,000 for the 140 brake horse. 1.8. For anyone who's interested, that's what the 1.8 hybrid looks like. I say it every time I drive a hybrid from Toyota, they're so quiet. It's almost like ASMR session with the little squeaks off the steering wheel when you move your hands. I mean, it's when you're crawling along or going up to like, I've got a RAV, I can get up to about 30, 40 mile an hour without the engine cutting in. So it's always this quiet. So what do we have in here? Usual, very nice. Wide nav. Your radio as usual. energy flows. You can see what your batteries are doing. This one's obviously got almost half the hybrid charge. Web browser. Yep, all pretty good. Up here you've got your SOS button. You press that, dials emergency services, pinpoints your location. They ask you what service you require. Got a little button here to turn your ultrasonics off. So if you put like, you leave your windows open, obviously you got the kids in the car, dog in the car, etc., and you lock it, it won't set the alarm off with them jumping about in here. If you turn that off, back to the infotainment, and if we put it into reverse, yeah, look, it's got a very wide reversing camera screen. On the CHRs, some of the lower specs, they go in kind of like infotainment's out here, then it narrows in for the reversing camera, whereas that stays wide, which is a good little feature. What have we got down here? Yeah, you've got the Nano X air conditioning even on this design spec now, which adds a little bit of moisture to your air conditioning. So when you're on long journeys, the air conditioning can dry you out. It adds moisture, so it nourishes your hair and skin, so you don't feel so dehydrated and jet lagged when you get there. So that's pretty good. What we got here, got all glass screens, all very nice. Modes on the steering wheel, all the same as previous. It was just the wheels as I spotted today, and then I noticed the interior trim, so I thought, you know what, you'd appreciate, come with me, we'll have a look at the new spec for 2025. We've got heated seats down here, we've got wireless charging, we've got your auto box. What have we got in here? A little cubby hole with a 12-volt power adapter and a little USB-C charger lead plug-in as well. If you haven't got one in the back, which my daughter likes the RAV4, the ones in the back, so she'd have to hook through to here, no biggie. But then if you wanted more than one, you'd have to use a 12-volt adapter. So yeah, that's basically what it looks like inside. It was mainly, like I said, the seats, they're very nice. Also, while we're in here, yeah, you've got an illuminated mirror there, so I'm guessing it's still the same this side. Yeah, illuminated mirror there as well. So back on the outside, there's them new wheels. It looks great in grey, doesn't it? Has great lights on this. Has the LED daytime running lights running around the edge, giving it like an angel eye appearance. Parking sensors front and rear. Obviously got rear camera as well. But let's look at that grey in the sunlight. That's well worth the £650 on top of the 32,000 you'll pay for this. That does look very nice. If you want to see more on the CHR, go and have a look at my other videos. I've got loads of videos on these CHRs. I do like them. Like I said, I've got a RAV4. I'll take you with me. We'll have a little research. We'll have a look at ins and outs of what we think is good and what is not so good, and also anything new like that. New design spec Corolla with the new wheels and the new interior. If I spot it, I'll take you with me. So as always, if you found that video of use, please do give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel immensely. I'll see you again soon when I spot something like this that catches my eye. And I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look at that sunlight. You know, I love talking about the weather. Look at that glorious sun. We've got a nice week of it, so make the most of it. I'll see you again soon. For another comparison, we got the design spec Yaris Cross in grey. So the same spec as the Corolla we're looking at in Yaris Cross variant. I've looked at loads like the CHR, so go and have a look at my other videos. If you want to look at more of these, or if you wanted to spend a bit more money, you've got the GR spec, Sport spec, CHR. I've actually done a video on this, one of my last videos. It's the thumbnail says Japanese Lamborghini, because it's very Lamborghini Urus-esque, isn't it?